Welcome to my Ninja NJ601AMZ review. Unlike your average blender, the Ninja NJ601AMZ Professional Blender stands out with its robust 1000-watt motor and a spacious 72-ounce pitcher, making it a fantastic option for anyone who loves smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. What makes this blender truly special is Ninja's total crushing technology, which pulverizes ice, fruits, and vegetables in mere seconds. It's not just for drinks either. You can make dips, sauces, and purees with ease. Cleaning up is a breeze as well, since all parts are dishwasher safe. The Ninja NJ601AMZ offers a seamless blend of design and performance. The 1000-watt motor ensures you can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. This power lets you crush ice and blend fruits and vegetables swiftly, making it a reliable tool for anyone who loves making smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks. Plus, the black finish gives it a modern look that fits well in most kitchens. When it comes to capacity, the Ninja NJ601AMZ stands out. With a 72-ounce pitcher, you can prepare large batches ideal for family gatherings or meal prepping. Despite this massive capacity, the design remains easy to handle and pour from, thanks to its well-thought-out features like the pour spout. This makes it convenient not just for blending, but also for serving. The blender's total crushing technology is a game changer. The blades easily pulverize ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. This technology ensures a consistent texture for your drinks and purees, which is especially useful when you're making everything from smoothies to sauces. You won't find large chunks of ice or lumps of veggies, making the blending process efficient and hassle-free. One of the standout features of this blender is its versatility. Not only can it blend smoothies and frozen drinks, but it can also help you prepare dips, sauces, and even crush ice for various recipes. The included 10-recipe inspiration guide is a great starting point if you're new to experimenting in the kitchen. The blender's easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe components also ensure that cleanup is quick, letting you focus more on your culinary creations and less on the mess. Now let's go over the pros and cons. Pros. The Ninja Blender packs a punch with its 1000-watt motor. You'll find that it can handle almost anything you throw at it, from ice to whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. This power translates to smooth, consistent results every time, making it ideal for preparing your favorite smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. One of the standout features is its 72 ounces pitcher, which means you'll have plenty of capacity for creating large batches. This is perfect for family gatherings or meal prepping. The included total crushing technology ensures that even the toughest ingredients are thoroughly blended, giving you the perfect textures whether you're making a drink or a dip. Cleaning up is a breeze since the pitcher is dishwasher safe. You won't need to worry about spending too much time on maintenance. Plus, with BPA-free materials, you can be assured that it's safe for you and your family. Additionally, the blender comes with a 10-recipe guide. This can be a nice touch if you're looking for some inspiration to get you started on your blending adventure. While it's a robust machine, the blender can be quite loud due to its powerful motor. If you're sensitive to noise or have a household member who is, this is something to keep in mind. The lid can sometimes be a little tricky to handle. Ensuring it's properly locked in place is crucial for a safe operation, so a bit of caution is advised during use. Lastly, it's a somewhat bulky appliance that may take up a fair amount of counter space. If you have limited kitchen real estate, you'll need to plan accordingly to accommodate it. Despite these minor downsides, the benefits and features of the Ninja Blender make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Operating the Ninja Blender is straightforward. The user-friendly controls make it easy to blend a variety of foods from smoothies to dips. The powerful 1000-watt motor ensures quick and efficient blending. Cleaning is a breeze as each part is dishwasher safe. The large 72-ounce pitcher with a 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity is perfect for batch preparations and easily fits in most dishwashers. BPA-free materials ensure safe usage. While the blender has impressive power, handling it carefully is recommended. The total crushing blades are very sharp and can crush ice and whole fruits with ease. Always follow the safety and usage instructions for best results. If you're on the hunt for a powerful and versatile blender, this Ninja model won't disappoint. As I noted in my Ninja NJ601AMZ review, its 1000 watt motor handles smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks with ease. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is both spacious and efficient, making quick work of even the toughest ingredients. Features such as dishwasher-safe parts and an easy pour spout add convenience to your daily routine. You'll find cleaning simple and straightforward, which is a huge plus for busy schedules. While some users have mentioned following the instructions carefully, you'll likely find operation intuitive after the first use. This blender offers solid value for its performance, making it a strong contender for upgrading your kitchen appliances.